Hello viewers, the question is two long and parallel straight wires A and B carrying currents of 8 ampere and 5 ampere in the same direction are separated by a distance of 4 centimeter. Estimate the force on a 10 centimeter section of a wire. So in this problem we have to calculate the force on a certain section of the wire. So the force is given by the formula. The force exerted on the length L is given by the formula F is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi 2 times I1 I2 L upon R. Now here I1 and I2 are the respective currents flowing in the parallel wires. L is the section length of the section of the wire on which the force we want to calculate, and R is the distance between the wires. So putting the respective values, mu naught upon 4 pi is 10 to the power minus 7. So 2 times I1 is 8 and I2 is 5. The length of the wire on which the force is required is 10 centimeter. When converting it into meter, it is 0.1 meters upon R is given as 4 centimeter, which means that 0.04 is the value of R. Now after solving this value comes out to be 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 newtons. So this is the force experienced on a particular 10 centimeter section of a wire. And this force is attractive in nature because the direction of the force is in the same direction. So that's why this force is an attractive force. तो यहाँ पे एक प्रॉब्लम पूछी गई, इसमें कहा गया कि दो लॉन्ग पैरेलल स्ट्रेट वायर्स हैं ए और बी. ये करंट कैरी करते हैं 8 एम्पियर और 5 एम्पियर की सेम डायरेक्शन में. इनके बीच की डिस्टेंस 4 सेंटीमीटर है. हमें फोर्स बतानी है 10 सेंटीमीटर सेक्शन ऑफ द वायर पे. तो उसके लिए हम फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे म्यू नॉट अपॉन एफ इक्वल्स टू म्यू नॉट अपॉन 4 पाई 2 I1 I2 L अपॉन आर. यहाँ सारी वैल्यूज पुट करने के बाद फोर्स की वैल्यू आती है 2 × 10⁻⁻5 न्यूटन्स. और क्योंकि दोनों वायर में सेम डायरेक्शन है करंट की, इस वजह से अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स होगी. So this is the answer. So hope you understand the explanation. Thank you.